right, does everybody feel good?
Feels good.
Actually,
Feel good,
yes.
Wrapping
man.
it up.
All right, so this is day 3, Sunday. And we have roughly 14, I think we said. 13
miles.
to do, and then
Focus
we're
on
driving home
yesterday.
after that. So this is our cabin here. Cabin number, well, cabin, I guess, shelter. And there's the restrooms up there, and there's another shelter.
That's Chris and Noreen's over there.
Yeah, that one that I just showed. Yeah. So we've done the logistics with the cars. We're going to hike down probably 4.5 miles, 4.67.
Yeah,
And,
4.67 to a vehicle that has food in it, and
Right.
we'll have lunch, and then we'll continue on for about 8 more miles, and it circles back
Really
around.
just going down
kinda,
to
doing
the
lower-
southernmost point and then come back up. And then that will be right back to the car.
Yep.
So I think we're in great shape. Had a good night. Kept the fire going most of the night.
Yep.
Stayed awake most of the night to keep the fire going. But
I slept pretty well.
I slept
Anyway.
better last night.
Yeah, same here. I slept much better.
all right then, let's get on the road. We'll check you guys later.
Okay.
Feels like we're going down quite a lot now, and we're about, I would say we're what, about 2 miles from the
Downhill the whole way. I mean, once again, we got to get down to the river.
So we got a couple of miles to get to the Petroleum Center
Petroleum Center Park Office.
park office, yeah. And we feel like it's downhill most of the way. But doing pretty good. Nice foresty area. So pretty cool. Mostly hemlocks, as some review actually told on All Trails, I believe Jen was saying. So, and that's really what we've seen a lot of. Yeah.
A lot of the time. I don't know if I agree with a lot of the time.
Yeah,
Some of the time, for sure.
sure. Okay.
Is that where we were looking?
I'm
over
not sure,
in this
but
direction? I think we were further.
I think we're
further
further
down, but-
on, but still.
Well, we're looking over toward that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yep, that's a good one.
Can you tie my shoes?
Yeah.
You know, they don't make these things so that you can actually get your water out.
They're not. Yeah, you gotta be.
All right.
You can have a butt.
Put your foot
All right, gang. What we got going on here?
Tying Noreen's shoes.
Tying Noreen's shoes,
Yeah.
as usual. And going to take a little quick water break.
Taking a sip.
Taking a scenic overview,
Of the oil
Of the-
barracks.
which we actually were at on the first day.
First day. Yeah.
Not far from the Petroleum Center, if I'm not mistaken.
That was fairly early on.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
think so.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. We've been doing a good hike, going at a good pace. I think we've been saying we're doing about 21s, maybe 21, 22, somewhere in there, minute miles.
No rain today.
So far, so good. All right, y'all.
No R.
No R.
No
Yeah.
hurry. Okay, bye for now.
Bye bye.
Man.
Signing in day 3. But figure we'll document it. I mean, who knows? We might get lost this last day, and somebody's gonna come out here and see that we penciled in that we were here. And
Yeah, you've got on you.
but
Ooh.
oh, you got a bug?
Here, hold up, hold up.
Huh? Interesting. Jane's got
All
problems.
right, so I said North Coast Trailblazers.
Oh, thanks, Chad.
What in the world's going on behind me?
That's
So I said
They're
North
picking
Coast
bugs off each other.
Trailblazers. Day
Oh, she
3,
threw her
Sobo, awesome
bug on
trail,
me.
even with cold and rain.
Yeah, I don't know where it went
Cool.
flying now.
I don't know what they're doing.
yeah. So we are almost to Petroleum Center, to the park office, probably about another half mile or so, and doing good. Bye. Heavy winter coat.
Hey y'all, we are here at the 4.9 actually, but
Look, my shoe's untied.
oh no. We're getting a pattern going here. So we're gonna picnic at the car, grab a bite to eat, and then do another 8 miles. Does that sound right?
Yes, sir.
There you are. I missed you.
This is. Oh, I'm.
So we're at the state park office. You can see it over there on the side. And we got some folks all out hiking today on a good Sunday morning. We've ran into a few people along the way. You can see there's a few more cars here than what there has been in the past. So we're doing a good day here today. We're feeling really good. It's a way better day than what it has been. And I don't know if we saw this before, but if you look over there, you can see a derrick and some of the equipment used to be used for it. So anyway, for the oil rigging, we're gonna grab a quick bite to eat and then get on the road again. Bye for now.
Hey, we're coming down the path. We've got one of the first times that we've got the river right here. Everybody else is coming on down. Come on down past.
I'm coming.
But we've got a view that I'll show you in a moment after everybody does their thing. Phil bringing up the end there.
That is really cool.
Somebody's got to bring the rear.
Yeah.
I got the rear down pat, man.
Yeah, you're a rear, all right. Okay, so there goes Phil, and then we got all kinds of things going on here. We've got telegraph poles. Oh, I guess they call those probably power poles now.
Well, there's
But,
probably some old
It might be
telegraph poles.
along the railroad there. There might be. Yeah, railroad over there, and then obviously Oil Creek meandering on down. And looks like we're going to get closer, or at least closer to the elevation of the creek.
My elevation right now is 2350, so we're going to get around 21 where it's looking.
Yep. So that's the story. I think I'll stop the video.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
What was that you said?
I think we've got about 6 miles to the finish.
To the finish line.
Almost 8.
Yeah, I'm at,
Total.
well, yeah, I'm at 8 total, and it's about 6 more to go.
You think it's 14?
Probably less than that, really. It should have been 13.
I figure we're only about a mile to the southernmost point.
Yeah, so probably close to 5 miles.
Yeah.
So, we're good.
Yep. All right. Well, let's keep them moving, folk. This is a nice little babbling brook, though. It's cool.
I know. I got snot everywhere.
All right.
Baby ones, younger trees.
So what are we looking at here, peeps?
Mount
Mount
Laurel.
Laurel. It's
So,
our first sighting of a one starting to bloom.
right. So actually we went through a grove yesterday, was it? Or was it the day before? I can't remember.
Yesterday.
Right. And that was the most that we have seen on this trail.
It was
And this
Big
is-
Grove. This is kind
Yeah.
of sparse.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's all up and down here.
Yeah.
But it was thick, I guess,
Oh, just, yeah, more of it.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Whoop, hat on the ground. There's a train station. There's some parking at the train station. And I believe folks that we were camping with started here and then went north on the route that we just came south on. Sobo. Looks like we're gonna go over to the other side by way of Route 8 Bridge. There's a canoe launch. Did you guys see the canoe launch?
Yeah.
So anyway, looks like a pretty good little walk over to the bridge though, so I'm gonna turn it off for now. OC&T Railroad. Pretty wide berth here if we needed to get. I left Chris down there reading the plaque. Got the creek down below. There we go. Across. At the Oil Creek State Park symbol. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so we're saying our 2279 elevation actually came up a foot to come over and look at it. It's actually 22. It's back to 79. Wow, it is so shallow. Isn't that wild? Well, you know we're gonna definitely lose the girls from this.
Oh yeah.
But
We were up there.
way up there.
Right at the top of the trees.
Yeah. I think I was actually bouncing around on the top of the trees.
Mm-hmm. Swinging.
Swinging. Just a swinging. Okay. All right. Well, we're about, I would say, 3/4 of a mile to get in.
From the finish?
Yeah, to make it back to the car-ish. And we found this one last overlook, which is pretty cool.
This is actually a right away for the power lines, basically.
Yeah.
That's why it's cleared out here. They probably had a helicopter come through with a chainsaw.
At least you're sticking with that.
Uh-huh.
True story.
Yeah, but this is a good overlook, good wide. All the other ones were very narrow peephole.
Yeah. Not sure how well you can see. Pretty good. Right there, you can see that pretty good. There we go. That's pretty cool. And of course, I've probably lost them by now. All right, bye for now. Well,
This
Noreen-
is the yellow trail, right?
Noreen just pointed out we're not done, and that's very true.
We got 0.3 to get
We got
back.
point
Get back to
3.
the cars. I think with the loop we're done.
Yeah, this
We
is
are.
essentially the end of the loop.
Right.
It's all right. Has anybody got TOD?
407.
407.
Ooh.
We started this morning at 10:30. We said. I think it was right at 10:30.
Yeah, I think so. 10:30.
So roughly 13 miles, right?
15 miles in 6 hours. A little
6
less
and a
than
half.
6.
Yeah.
Cool.
5.5.
Right there's where we jumped in first thing, rainy Friday afternoon, and we got about 1/3 of a mile to head back across the bridge and where the car is. We'll grab a bite to eat. We might do a little videoing at the eat time,
Yeah.
and then otherwise, it's been a great trip.
Yeah, that's
You guys had fun, right?
You know
Oh,
it.
yes.
It was a good time.
Yeah.
Nobody's mad about coming?
No. Why would we?
No way. We're happy about that one. We were worried at the beginning.
Yeah,
Thought we might
somebody
not.
was going to be judgmental, we thought.
Yeah. But we're good.
What? What are you talking about?
All right.
All
We're going
right.
to head out.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.